Oil and Peaches gang, we back with another video. Nothing really has changed. I mean, motor's still there, engine bay still empty, but we finally got some parts in. Everything I got came through STM, which if you're an Evo and Mitsubishi guy, you know it's Street Tuned Motorsports or something like that. Got the oil seal for the T-case and transmission. Got some nuts and bolts, cause like some of the motor mounts didn't match, so. And got the little oil seal for the T-case, the input shaft seal here, motor mount bolts like I was saying, and this one here, which I will open it up. Let me get the seal out of the way because I don't want to damage it. It's gonna be kind of hard, but as you can see, barely see, it is the new input shaft for the Evo. So I gotta look up to see how to swap everything over so I can swap it over. But that's pretty much what's in the box. Besides this here is my Torque Solution motor mounts. I got all, I think it's 4 or 5, but I got all of them. I think that's for the transmission, yeah, because they got the bit bracket, this door in the rear, stuff like that. So we got parts. I'm probably gonna create a YouTube short for that mount there and probably throw one in for that one. Not too much I can do until I can figure out how to get the gears off and install everything to put the motor back in, and then get a clutch. And once I get a clutch, put the car back together and do some cleaning on the inside, because the inside is a little messed up. But other than that, put the car back together and just drive it. So just want to give y'all this little quick video. See y'all in the next one.